Hello, my name is Rod Bates and I'm the owner of Koinonia Guide Service. On behalf of our staff and our sponsors, we'd like to thank you for fishing with us. It is our mission at Koinonia Guide Service to provide you a safe, educational, productive, and memorable experience while exposing you to God's wonderful creation. We see God's great power in the fact that He's created the Susquehanna River, and we see His goodness to us in the fact that He gives us the time, the ability, and the opportunity to enjoy this wonderful creation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And thank you for choosing Koinonia Guide Service. Okay, here we are at Newman's Launch. Guy that owns this place keeps it pretty nice.
He's working on it.
He's working on it. Elwin's here, Sam. Who else we got, Elwin?
Isabel and Mallory and Richie.
Isabel. That's
Isabel.
yeah, Mallory's over there.
Mallory
Right?
and Richie.
What's up, Richie? Karen's here.
They're catching frogs.
Mallory also found some fish.
Found fish too. Excellent. So you're getting your play in the water in before we catch fish this year.
We
A little
haven't
bit.
played much. Oh, crayfish.
Did you get them?
No, it's
Oh.
okay. I have a toad.
What do you have?
A toad.
Toad.
Look at that.
Kiss him, might turn into a prince.
Look at him climbing your
I'll
arm.
kiss him. I'll kiss
What do you
him.
got? You got a dead fish.
Man, you hit that metal thing. Here, I'll get it.
What's up, Izzy?
Mr. Froggy.
You do? Let me see him. Oh, you got a tiny one, don't you?
Let's put it
Now, did you get it on land or in the water?
land.
Let me see him.
Hey,
Oh,
I
yeah.
caught that one. Yeah.
Yours was bigger.
No, this is Belle's.
Oh,
I'm really good at catching them.
I think they're preparing like Gilligan's Islands. Like this is a 3-hour cruise or something. They got gear in case we get stranded. Hey, Isabel cleared the rod. Got one coming in.
Come on now! I got him. Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Okay, girls are on the board first. Boys are right over there.
Oh, hi.
Bring your rod tip to me. Don't reel anymore.
Oh, he's a big one. Whoa!
Not bad. Good job.
Flappy
Way to go. Number one in the bag. Keep that band on your wrist so you don't lose that. Good job.
How many up there? 20?
Oh my God.
What's the secret? You're eating. Sudden impact. They dip the corn girls in sudden impact, they take a bite and then they put one on the hook.
Ah,
Ew.
it's called sharing.
Here guys, you want to show them how you do it?
It's called being disgusting.
Well, oh, this one goes to the fish.
Oh, yeah, that's
Every time. Stop. Right there, perfect.
they're loud.
Isn't that nice? Give him instruction before you hold it. Never hold the handle here. You always handle that right there. Makes a difference. Makes a big difference. Oh, that's like close to 30 inches there. A jump. Ballerina.
Yeah, but more like, not even 30.
It's close. I got it.
I don't think they're believing you, Dave.
Lying.
Oh. Yeah, he got off.
Its name is
16 inches. Let him go. You pull
Bye,
the pliers
Coco.
apart, and there goes Coco. We released Carlos earlier.
Come on, get off.
Lay his head in the water, and normally that helps him to leave go. Yep, just wait him out now.
Bye-bye.
He doesn't want to leave go, does he?
Coco.
There he goes.
What's
Now I
his
got one
name?
coming in
You
here.
think it's a her or a him? I don't care.
I have no idea.
Come over here.
That's one for the cooler.
Really?
Yep, you gotta crank some more on him. You gotta get him close to the boat so I can net him.
Then we can't name him.
That's why you was going to name him.
Okay, don't reel anymore. Just raise your rod tip, bring it towards me.
We should name him. What's your name?
Bring him here. Good job. Way to go.
What's your name and him?
Okay, you can swing him right to me.
Come here.
Okay. We'll measure him. What's his name?
Ken. This here is Ken.
Ken's going back. He doesn't want to leave go.
They love
You got a friend, he wants to stay with you. He's hooked up. Yeah, we mark them. The ones we release, we do.
Come here, fishy. What's your name and him? I don't care right now.
Oh, that's a big one, Mal.
Really?
Biggest one of the night.
Really? No fair.
Anybody's game now.
No fair. No fair. No fair. Uh-oh. That
There he is. Get him, get him, get him. Pull it out and set the hook quick. Set the hook, set the hook, set the hook. Jerk up on the rod. Izzy, pull up. Go, reel, 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 reel. He's still there. What are you doing? Come on, get him in here. Reel. What are you doing? I'm gonna have to move a rod here. You guys gotta get these fish in. Mallory, what's going on with yours? Nice job, Izzy. You got this wrapped around your scarf. Get that out of there. Oh my goodness. Now reel.
I'll let you
Is he
bring
there?
the fish in now.
I think you might be going real fast. Okay, Izzy, bring yours to me. Come underneath Mallory.
Come here, buddy.
Okay, let me have yours. Bring him up here. Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in, bring him in, bring him in.
Is he the biggest one?
He's bigger.
I don't know what's going on back here with Mallory.
Mallory!
All right, well, Mal,
Woo!
her scarf actually took the drag off and took all the line out, so she's got a long way to go. So while you're doing that, Mal, I'm going to bait up another one and throw it out. Oh, that's a big one, Mal.
Really? I see.
Yeah.
Oh, woo! I'm on.
One more time. Way to go, girl.
What's your name and her?
That's your biggest one of the
Well,
night.
it is the biggest one.
Had hard, but more than what you did in the past. Let's put it that way. That acts like another good fish.
Let's see if we can get a double shot like last time.
That'd be good.
I like this. You have a little fish. We get recorded.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were watching.
We are famous.
No, that's another nice one. Get the net.
What? Oh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, rod tip low. You don't want him to rub on the boat like that.
Man, that's a big one. Or maybe it's just a really small feisty one. Get it, get it, get it.
I'm trying to get him off.
Oh, I see this fishy.
Nice fish. Good job.
Why are you catching all the big fish?
Look at the job.
Way to go.
Just kidding.
A little smoother. What's the matter?
Keep reeling. Oh, it just stopped for a little bit.
Yep. He went under the other ones. Bring your rod tip low. Bring him over this way. Don't let him get in them other lines.
Over there.
There you go.
No one needs you like over here. Wait, we have
Going
to
under the boat.
Don't let him get in the anchor. Up, you did. He's in the anchor.
What is
That's a big fish too.
What is in the anchor mean?
That means your line's tied up in the anchor.
Oh no.
We gotta get out of these lines. There you go. Go to the other side where your sister is.
No, scooch.
Watch out, Belle. Let her go. Fish in here.
Listen to him
Get the net.
beautiful noise. His beautiful.
Can you go to the front of the deck till we get this one out? Or the corner would be good. Yeah. The anchor's up, so you don't have to worry about that. One more time. Do that one more time into my net. Don't reel. Just bring it right into that. Come on.
There we go. That was a hard one.
Okay. Way to go, girls. There's a third one on.
Smoothie? This is
Right here.
Time.
What'd you name her?
Clementine.
You gonna let her go?
Yes.
22 3/4 inch channel going back. Good job. And you're gonna eat yours, right? Okay, he goes in the icebox.
I'm sorry.
Hanging on, is he?
Come on, get out.
There he goes. Nice.
Mr. Green.
because.
Mr. Green?
Yeah.
I thought
Mr. Green to the icebox. Thank you, Lord. We're putting them in the boat now.
With the sea.
Don't forget to click your fish, girls.
Oh. Whoa.
Yeah, don't reel anymore. Just swing them right to me.
Floppy.
Where are you going? Come on. Stand back there and swing your rod to me.
Where's the fish go?
You're walking towards me.
Where's the fish?
Okay, bye, Floppy.
Bye, Floppy.
Bye.
I think
We're done fishing. Time to play a little bit. Hey, no, you're not leaving them all with us. Hey, get back here. Here comes the wave. You're at the ocean. Here we are at the Redneck Water Park.
I actually need to take off my hat before I put that. What about your sunglasses? Huh? What about your sunglasses? Oh, those are fine. Okay, I guess I can take them. Thank you.
Koinonia Guide Service. It's not just a fishing adventure, it's an adventure.
Team Blue was the best. We caught it 26 and a half. I caught it 22 and a half. Oh, we got the record.
Trim it up.
We weren't catching much. We were searching for treasure. We were in the They tracked us on the We were riding on the road. No, they were taking us while me and Sam were in the water.
Path. Close your eyes. Do it again.
You should use a bigger boat.
That's because you keep running from it. Run!
Close your eyes.
Okay, the guides are wore out. They're going to go home and the kids are going to stay and play. Grandma and Grandpa, you guys stay.
Yeah. That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay, he says. This is a great thing they do with the grandkids. They bring them every year and fish a little, play a little, have a good time. Are you going to give me a wet hug?
Bye.
Can I have a wet hug, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. See you guys.
Bye.
Good job.
Bye.
See you next year, right?
Yep.
Lord willing. Thanks, Ellen.
Sand feels good on my feet.
Oh, you can't.